Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn to construct a parabola of axis length 60 mm and double ordinate 80 mm with the help of rectangular method. So let me construct a parabola. Okay. So for this let us remember what is a parabola. So a parabola is of the following shape and with equations y equals to x square. So it will be our vertex and every parabola has some focus over here. Okay, now if we construct a vertical distance and we get these 2 points, now these 2 points, this vertical distance is known as the double ordinate, 80 millimeter in this case, and these two, the distance between vertex and focus, is known as the axis length. And also we know that the parabola is symmetrical about this x-axis. Now if we join, what we get is a rectangle. So we are going to construct this section of a parabola with the help of rectangular method. So first of all, create a rectangle of 60 by 80 millimeters dimension. Okay, so double ordinate is 80, so take, and axis length is 60. Okay, now so axis length 60 millimeter and double ordinate 80 millimeters. Now find a midpoint for this vertex V. So it is going to be 40 millimeters. Now let me construct this central axis. Okay, I know that the parabola is going to be just like this and it is going to be symmetrical about this line. So let me name this point O. Okay, and this will be X. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to divide this line into certain number of segments, suppose 6 into 6 divisions. Okay, so if I divide this half ordinate, okay, this ordinate portion into 6 equal parts, then I'm going to divide these divisions also in 6 divisions. So divide this line, half the double ordinate, into 6 equal divisions. Okay, so how do you do this? Construct it. We could use, we know how to divide a portion into line into 6 equal parts. We could have divided this line into 8 divisions as well, into any number of divisions. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also divide this axis length into equal number of divisions, 6 divisions. So just do, it is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And similarly, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so now just remember this step. Okay, join this point O0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Join this O with all these 6 points. Okay, so now from these points in vertical line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, pass a horizontal line up to the respective lines. So from 1 I'm going to pass a horizontal line up to 0, 1 line. From point 2 I'm going to pass a horizontal line up to 0, 2 line. And from 3 I'm going to pass a horizontal line up to 0, 3 line. Okay, so repeat this process. So these are the points. Okay, now if I join over here 6, if I join these points, what I get is a half parabola. Join this friend, and what we get is this upper portion of the parabola. Now if you repeat the very same process for this section, what we get is a complete parabola. Or what we could do is that we could simply project these points below. So I'm going to project these points below. Okay, I have make vertical lines. I'm going to take compass, and from this center OX I'm going to make perpendicular distance and cut over below. For second point also I'm going to take this measurement and cut below. For 3 as well, repeating the same process. Now if I join these points, what I get is a complete parabola of axis length 60 mm and double ordinate of 80 mm.